Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I want to show how I made this project to decorate a harvest theme birthday. These letters will be part of the centerpiece to Smash Cake photo shoot. I made the design in the Design Space program and cut out the letters on my Cricut. I use basil cardstock from Joann's store. There are different colors and textures. To make the folds on the letters, I use the Cricut scoring stylus. I print my images on this paper. This is how my project looks in Cricut Design Space. It's a pretty easy design. I made name and several offset layers and also add harvest themed images. Expecting question in the comments. I want to say that I have a detailed step-by-step video on my channel. There I share information about how and where I got letter templates. After I have finished cutting all my pieces, I sort them into groups. Each letter has its own characteristics, so sometimes it's more informative to see how they are assembled. I grouped all my details. Then I started to assemble the basic of the first letter. When we bend the edges of the letter, it is very important to do it well. I use for it plastic card. Then I glue our letters with the help of this glue. I like the way it holds the pieces together without leaving any mess. For safety, I glue the two sides and then connect them together. In order not to be mistaken in our pieces, I place all parts next to their place. The front part I will assemble a little later. You will soon understand why. And now I will repeat all the same with the second letter. Now, to give stability to the letters, I take glass gems and use a hot gun to attach them to the bottom of the letters. Now we can glue the front part of the letters. Description under this video you can find links to my Amazon storefront, where I share all my materials and tools that I use in my work. You can also follow me on TikTok and Instagram, where I posted different content related with my projects. This is the most difficult part of our assembly. Here you need to act carefully, but at the same time quickly. If you have any question while watching my videos, please leave a comment. Also, your views motivate me to create new crafts and record a new material. I will assemble name and our cutouts. Here I take double size foam tape and attach our layers. And now we complete our project. Thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so.